This is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So first step is to find and launch the Google Drive app. Then let me quickly remove the documents that I have stored here that I have uploaded previously. Then at the Google Drive app, tap at this plus icon over here, choose the scan option, then allow Drive to have the camera access. After that, take whatever document you wanted to take or to make a scan out of and shoot a picture of it. If you're satisfied with the result, proceed. If not, obviously retake the photo. At the following menu, you can crop your raw photo and decide which part of it will be included in the final document. So I'll frame the part of the photo that I would like to end up in the PDF file that I'm about to create. So simply trimming off extra white paper edges, so including only text. Then you can, if needed, rotate the document or change its color scheme. So let's say I'll go for the color drawing and then just hit the save button, make some final adjustments such as renaming the file or changing its Google Drive location. And then just hit this final save button to your top right. Wait until the document will be uploaded to your Google Drive. And here is the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.